trip. A little bit of grease on the bearing.
There's nothing in it.
It's this video, everyone said the front wheel falls off, Brian did this.
Yeah, it's Brian's fault right here. Now what are you doing?
Braking stuff.
We
found a little bit of a rattle in its back heels, so we're just
attempting and failing at removing it?
Yeah. They do this sometimes.
Should I edit this out?
Brian, help.
What if I try this? That's better. So that was
video.
Around in there. So the pins wasn't going. That's already set.
Right, see that motor there? It's 50 years old now. The only thing that we've done is some new gaskets. There's still 50-year-old pistons. Everything else in it. And tomorrow we're about to embark on a 800k journey. It's a journey many cars like this have done for many years.
So we finally made it to the big city. Only had to stop once for a shit, so that's a good start.
Yeah.
How's the Kingswood going? Still running?
Everything looks right. Oh, hang on. I hope that's broken. It's alright. Everything's all good.
Well, thanks for doing the wheel bearing, Brian. That hasn't fallen off yet.
Yeah.
How long have we got to go?
2 hours and 18 minutes to that first stop.
Surely a good flat stick down the tunnel, right? Back again.
Kilometers. Use the left 2 lanes to take exit W4W5 for State Road 43, City.
Brian, you fucking ruined it. You fucking ruined it.
Australia, what's your favourite sport?
Football.
Snack?
Pies.
Animal?
Kangaroos.
And what's your favourite car, Australia?
Holden.
Let me see, that's football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars, huh?
Right.
Well, you sure sound like Australia to me.
We are.
Well, then you better tell me again, because I just might forget.
We love football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars. Football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars.
That's football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars.
Football and meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars.
I think you better tell me again.
We love football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars.
In case you're wondering, this commercial is brought to you by football, meat pies, kangaroos, and Australia's own.
Jack's driving.
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville, and this is Bridging Sprint with us.
We're all fearing for our lives. Well, now you'll break it. 4253 screaming. Yeah. This is the test, the ultimate test is Kirk riding. Yeah, hopefully we'll survive.
Things on the side of the road. Can I hit them? What? Where's the DO-double-G?
Alright, day 2. On our way to the Holden Museum next, and then head to home, I guess. Just warming up the old girl, getting ready to make a big day again. Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, we've made it back home safely with the pram. No breakdowns at all. Only used about a litre of oil, I guess, and
Maybe two.
maybe 100 litres of fuel, I reckon. And it used also about 10 litres of beer, I reckon. But
That was probably the most expensive part.
but yeah, it went absolutely beautiful. Had a great time with the boys.
And on that bombshell,
Highly
it's time to
recommend
end. Goodbye, and go see the museum before it shuts.
Yeah.
Seriously, pull your head in.